This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back, everyone. This is Not Your Advisor with NYU Grad on Tuesday, April 22nd. Let's jump right into today's session. Broad rally, or should I say broad bounce. I'm going to try to be quick with this one because for a day that everything was green, it was fairly boring. And I'll explain what I mean. So looking at breadth, we had 135 new highs on the NYSE versus 88 new lows, 85% advancing versus 13% declining. 80% were below its 50-day, and 78% were below its 200-day. The Dow, the Nasdaq, and the S&P all closed higher today, up 2.5 to 2.6%. The Dow was up 1,000 points plus. The Nasdaq was up 429. So basically reversing all of yesterday. However, I do want to caution here. Yes, every sector was green. Yes, almost every mega cap and Mag 7 was green. But the SPY and just general volume across the board was lackluster. I'm just using SPY as an example, but you can check any QQQ, IWM, whatever you trade. Look at the average daily volume versus today's volume. The SPY traded 65 million shares versus an average daily of 73 million shares. It's not bad, but whenever we have a sell-off, it's like SPY 170 million shares. I need to see SPY 170 million shares when the Dow is up 1,000 points. So in that context, today's rally / bounce, whatever you want to call it, relatively speaking, was weak. There was no oomph. So we'll see what tomorrow brings on the rally front. As I mentioned, every sector was green. Consumer cyclical led the way, up 3.25. Financials up 3.1. Communication services up 2.7. Technology was up 2.5. The last place for the green sector was basic materials, up 1.6. What was strong, what was weak in the S&P and the Nasdaq? In the S&P, you had Equifax up 13.8%, First Solar 10.5%, Pentair 9.2%, PulteGroup Homebuilder 8.3%, Invesco 8.2%, 3M, the sticky note 8.1%, Caesars Entertainment 7%, Quest Diagnostics 6.7%. In the Nasdaq, you had MicroStrategy up almost 8% today, Netflix 5.3%, Micron 5.2%, Tesla 4.6%. They reported earnings. They missed on earnings and revenue, and they missed their auto sales by 20%. It hasn't done much in the aftermarket. Everyone is waiting for the 5:30 Eastern Time conference call.
We can't forget that this is just a small taste of the in-depth analysis that Not Your Advisor provides. They don't just throw numbers at you. They connect the dots, find those hidden trends, and help you understand what's driving the markets.
If you want the full picture, you got to check out the full Not Your Advisor episode.
Don't forget to subscribe to notyouradvisor.com.
And all their premium content. I mean, it's like having a direct line to what's really going on in the market.
It is. It really is. They cut through all the BS and give you the kind of info that you just won't find anywhere else.
Think about this. Investing is all about making decisions that work for you and your goals. You're the one in control.
Not Your Advisor can give you the map, but you choose where you want to go.
And with that empowering thought, we'll sign off. Happy investing.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.